Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you two amazing ways to make your Mac and iPad work together seamlessly. First, we'll look at how to use your iPad as a second monitor for your Mac. This feature is called Sidecar. It's very helpful if you are traveling and want to have some extra space on your Mac using your iPad. You can even control your Mac using your iPad. Then I'll show you how to control both devices using just one keyboard and mouse. This feature is called Universal Control. You can seamlessly switch between macOS and iPadOS using just your MacBook keyboard and trackpad. Let's get started. If you need some extra screen real estate, Apple's Sidecar feature is perfect. First, make sure both your Mac and your iPad are signed into the same Apple ID and have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. They should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your Mac, click the Control Center icon in the menu bar. Click Screen Mirroring. Select your iPad from the list. Your iPad will now display your Mac desktop. You can drag Windows over to it just like a regular second monitor. If you wish, you can operate any macOS app from your iPad using your fingers. How cool is that? If you want to properly arrange the position of your iPad, open System Settings on your Mac and go to the Display section and tap on the Arrange button. Now you can reposition your iPad and move it where it is actually located, on the right, on the left, or even above your Mac display. To stop using Sidecar feature, simply tap on the screen mirroring icon in the Control Center on your Mac and disconnect your iPad from Mac. Now, what if you want to use your iPad as your iPad, but still use your Mac's keyboard and mouse? That's where Universal Control comes in. Place your iPad next to your Mac. Then, on your Mac, go to System Settings, Displays. Click the plus button and select Link Keyboard and Mouse to your iPad. Note that your Mac and iPad have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network to get the Universal Control working. Now just move your Mac's cursor to the edge of the screen toward your iPad. You'll see it pop right over onto your iPad screen. You can now type and click on your iPad using your Mac's accessories. You can seamlessly go from one device to another using your trackpad and keyboard. If you are using a wireless mouse with your Mac, it will also work with your iPad in the Universal Control mode without any additional pairing mode. These two features completely change how I work every day. Finally, iPad is a really useful Mac companion. Which of these features are you going to use the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Apple tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.